Hello everyone and welcome to our 13th Deepin workshop for Moonchain with Major Dom. I hope you are excited what I'd like to show you today. For the few people who already read the description and went into the live stream by this, I think they will already know what they can expect for today. In preparation for an NFT contest which we will host on Moonchain, we would like to show everybody how they can create an NFT with MetaMask as well as with the AXS Wallet. For this we will use Geneva today, and I like to start with the introduction how you can set up the Geneva Testnet in the MetaMask wallet. For this you can find the RPC configuration here on doc.moonchain.com/docs/resources/RPC configuration. Here you can find the mainnet RPC config as well as our Geneva Testnet configuration. I already have added it into my MetaMask. You can see it here, Moonchain Geneva Testnet, but we can delete it just for showing purpose. I just tried to change the network so I can delete the already entered in Geneva configuration I have. Moonchain Geneva. Then we get our chain ID, the RPC URL, we take the standard ticker MXC, and we also set a block explorer. So with this done, we set up the Moonchain Geneva Testnet. Like I said, with this done, we are now able to use this wallet on Moonchain.